Okay, so today I'm gonna go buy my first car, my flip car, because I'm gonna start flipping cars from. So I asked my brother to let me borrow $1,000 because I've always been wanting to flip cars, but today will be the first day. It will be my first car that I'm gonna flip, and I want to make a YouTube video of how to flip cars in Los Angeles. Today is it's during the COVID-19 month or year, whatever. Yeah, that's I'm gonna try to see. I'm gonna start flipping cars, and my first car is gonna be an '89 Honda Prelude. It's an older model. It's an old car, but I think it has potential. I haven't bought it, but I'm gonna go pick it up today. So they had it listed on an app for $2,000. The car looks complete, but has some rust on it. I will put a picture on the link. I'll put a picture on it right when I get a chance. So it has 79,000 miles on it. I don't know if it's original engine. It looks decent. It has a lot of rust damage. I will fix all that. I'm gonna see how much I'm gonna be able to get off of it after I restore it. But it's gonna. I lowered the price down to $1,200. So I'm gonna go pick it up today. This will be my first video on me starting my flipping entrepreneurship, and I will see how it goes, and I will keep making videos from now on about all the cars I flip and how I'm fixing them and what I'm going through in the process. So if you guys want to know more about how I flip cars and how I will start flipping cars, you can subscribe to my channel. Right now I will end this video, and I will go back once I have the car. I will make a video all around, like a 360 view of the video of the car I will own. Hopefully the guy still comes through. He's at work right now. So yeah, we'll see. Wish me luck. I like the car. It's a nice, decent car. And how you'll see it when I have it.